Morning, everyone. We're still trying to get the grain cart back together. We got everything, got the both the auger flightings in there and everything. We're just having some trouble with the bearing. It's need to press it back off of the all the yoke or whatever you want to call it, I guess. So we're having to run down to the local machine shop and use their press. But hopefully we'll have it up and going here in a couple hours or so and be back in shelling corn. Yeah, pull this back over. We were working on it yesterday, so we can get that bearing back in there, and then we should be good to go.
I missed it all. Hell, I thought you turned it on and it started working.
No, I'll have to give you a cameraman lesson.
Well, I reckon, because I suck.
Can I pull it out?
Pull it, see what happens. I don't think you can. Got her back together. All was going smooth. And then bolt broke off. So now we're still fixing it. What happened, George?
I farted.
Okay. Did you shit?
Nope.
You sure?
Yep.
micro SD card is hard to find in a cornfield, but we got it. That's surprising. Just drove from the field back to the bins with those drone batteries sitting on the back of my truck. Maybe it is going to be a good day after all. Got the first loads rolling in today, so we'll walk over here and check our dryer. We're still running, that load tested 18.5%, so I'm going to run through the dryer for a little bit, put some heat on it. Try to get it down to about 16 coming out of the dryer.
Dumping into the leg while I'm dumping the truck. Let speed control with the dryer.
Sometimes having a bathroom at the farm would be really nice, but that's why it pays to know your neighbors. In other words, I'm having a fecal emergency. That was a close one. Rat War Day 3. I think we got another one. Oh yeah, he's dead.
Oh, his brain's out.
Got him. That's the cone I was talking about that we were trying to make in the other episode. That's dry corn on that bin. Now I'm going to dump wet corn on it. This way we can dump wet corn on there for holding bin. That way it kind of makes it like those holding bins there with a V-bottom, like a cone-shaped bottom. So that's what we're going to do now. So we should be able to run pretty late tonight. Well, we've hit a snag. Got some broken leg belts. So now that leg's completely full of corn, and we've got to vacuum it all out of there. It's not going to be fun. Well, we got got part of the mess cleaned up. We got the leg running again. And belts are pretty much done for us, so Dad's gonna go get some new belts. Hopefully we can at least get the truck stumped and get the dryer going again for the night so we can run all night. I don't know if we'll be done in time to really do much more corn. Dad said he's got minor issues with his corn head and the part that we were working on yesterday, so I don't know if we'll get back in any corn tonight or not. Well, the place Dad was going to get the belts, they ended up not having any. So that's it for the day. It's about to be dark, so we're not climbing up that leg in the dark to put them belts on. Just have to do it first thing in the morning. He's on the way to town up the road to try to find some belts. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be back to shelling corn. We can get this bucket or these leg belts on first thing in the morning and get back to it. But man, it's really frustrating. That's just part of harvest. Sometimes you think you're gonna have a good day and it changes real fast. So that's just part of farming though. So hopefully we'll have a better day tomorrow and everything will run smooth and we can get back to knocking some corn acres out. But thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video.